Good evening. Welcome to .programming.com. This is my blog. Today I'm talking about floating point constants in C language. In previous video tutorial, I have already learned about hexadecimal number and octal number. So now, today I'm talking about floating point constants. In integer point constants, we already discussed that those number who without fractional numbers known as integer. In the case of floating point constant, a number with fractional point, I mean to say a number with decimal point, the numeric value having fractional part are called floating point constant. Please write down into your notebook. It's a clear and sweet definition of floating point constant. Okay. Today I'm talking about more about floating point constants because I want to give a detailed description about floating point constants. In this session I will cover example of floating point constants. So the floating point constant can be represented using two forms. A floating point constant can be represented using two forms, as exponential form, that is the one form, and the second form is fractional form, that is 2.3, that is the fractional form, and exponential form is known as Mantissa form. It's the synonym of exponential form, exponent notation. Okay, that is the second form. Like 2.3 E7, that is the exponential, E for exponential. If you give fractional form example, then I will take a sweet definition of fractional form, that is a numeric value have decimal point. Okay, a fractional form, it means a numeric value have decimal point. Example 0.5, that is a numeric value with a 0, and fractional point, decimal point is 0.5, minus 0.99, minus 0.6, that is the number in which we can take fractional form. Exponent notation. How to represent how to represent floating point numbers in scientific notation, or you can say mantissa form. There is the one method is mantissa, and second form E or capital E, and third one is mantissa, exponent. Valid floating point constants are invalid floating point constants, because floating valid floating point constants we already discussed in the previous slide. Invalid floating point constant, it means 22.07 divided by 7 is invalid due to divide. Sorry, division is not allowed. 120 is also invalid because an integer constant, it's not a floating point constant. There is no decimal point. .5 E8 invalid due to white space. 1.2.3 is invalid because more than one decimal point is not allowed. One decimal point is not allowed. Okay, more than one decimal point, so it's due to invalid. (10.5e minus 6.9). 6.9 is not allowed in exponent. Okay, so I want to show my blog. This is my blog, www.programming.com. Please visit it and learn more about programming languages and know about more softwares, how to use, how to articles, and many more.